Well, a nice early start today. It's about 5:15 a.m. The tide has switched. It has started going out, but this, I think, was going to be the best opportunity for some beach fishing today for me. So let's get stuck into it and see if we can catch something. Oh, I think I dropped them. Oh, 2 hit. Boom, boom. Yep, I dropped them. Oh, that's too bad. Got them this time. Oh! There's a bit of a pull. Whoa, dude. Definitely got some fight in him. Wow. He's not huge, but he definitely had some go in him. Well, he's not small. Now I get a better look. Nice. Nice fish. And a good start to the morning. Hopefully a few more of you come around. There you go. Well, hasn't been a great start for me. Caught the one, but I've dropped 2 now. So at least I know there's some here. Last time down here I had to work the beach a bit to find them. So hopefully a couple more give me an opportunity. I don't like dropping more than I catch. That's not good. Well, just in the short time I've been here, it has gone very flat and calm out here. I'd say for the last 15-20 minutes, not a touch. I was hoping I'd have like 2 hours of fishing. It looks like it was only going to be about 30 minutes. Had my opportunity. Caught the one, but I dropped 2, had a couple other good bites. But, let's stick this out just for a bit longer. See if something happens. If not, it might be an early morning. Hey Peg, what's up? How you doing? Yeah? Well, that's good to know. Where the fish? Come on, where the fish? You don't know either. Okay. Thanks for that. Well, wasn't a stellar morning. First half hour was good and I had my chances, but just landed the one. But as soon as it went flat, the fishing just turned off. But we didn't get skunked. We got onto one. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, keep fishing.